Welcome to Speaking Our Language, a new series of programmes aimed at helping you learn Gaelic. I'm Rhoda MacDonald and I'm going to be with you over the next 18 weeks. Throughout the series we'll be travelling all over the country to give you the opportunity to hear different people speaking the language. But today, for the first leg of our journey, we're on the west coast heading for the Isle of Skye. So, wherever you live and wherever you come from, now's your chance. And there's plenty of extra help as well, which we'll tell you about at the end of the programme. Oh, but first things first, how do we say hello and greet people?
Hello, Camera.
Hello, Kimmer a Hashiv. Hello, how are you? Kimmer a Hashiv.
Hello, Vari. Camera Hashiv.
Hi. Camera Hashiv.
Hello, Vari.
Camera Hashiv.
Willie. Hello, Camera Hashiv then.
Shiv. You. Shiv. Kimar aha, Shiv. How are you? Kimar aha, Shiv.
Gaelic sometimes uses letters in a different way to English, but don't let that put you off. Concentrate on the sound of the words first of all. We'll give you some help with the unfamiliar ones. Kimmer a Hashiv. Listen again.
Camera Hashiv.
Hello, Vari.
Hello, Camera Hashiv then. Hi. Camera Hashiv.
Hello, Vari. Camera Hashiv.
How do you answer Kimmer a Hashiv? Hello?
Hello, Camera Hashiv.
Akuma? Ha, guma. Fine, I'm well. It's a common way of answering, and people use it however they're feeling. Ha, guma.
Hello, Camera Hashiv.
Akama.
Hello.
Hello, Camera Hashiv.
Akuma. Ha guma. I'm well. Ha guma.
Nottingham for their collar.
Tap alive. People often add tap alive, thank you, as well. Tap alive.
Tapalif. Thank you. The green letters are normally silent. Tapalif. Hagama tapalif. I'm well, thank you. Hagama tapalif.
Hello, Kimara Hashif.
Hakama Tahbalev.
Kimara Hashiv.
Hakama Tapalev.
Hello.
Hello, Kimara Hashif.
Hakama Tahbalev.
Marahashu.
Hakila. Tapalev.
Oh, can't believe. Kimara Hashiv.
I'm now heading for Solmore Ostig, the Gaelic college in the south end of Skye. And they in fact are going to be providing the video and audio cassettes that go along with this series. Well, I've arrived at Intalechem, Broadford. I should be able to get a map here. And Chilan Skeahanoch, the Isle of Skye. And I need to get a road map as well.
Tapalev. 790.
Tapalaith. Instead of saying Haguma, you could say Gleva if you're feeling really fit. Watch out for Gleva in our drama, Ek and Tuig. At home, Ek and Tuig.
Cleva. Tapalev. Chidi. Hello.
Hello, Mrs. MacLeod,
Kimara Hashiv, Mrs. MacLeod.
Gleva, Tapalev. Kimara Hashafin.
Oh, Hakama Tapalev. Aha. Staff Pollock Road. Cleva. Strathpollock Road, Glasgow.
Tapalev. Gleva.
Boon Skol Leitcher, Slate Primary School, on the way to Solmore Ostig. So, Kimara Hashafin, how are you, is a common way of returning the question Kimara Hashiv. Kimar aha Shafin, how are you?
Hello.
Hello,
Mrs.
Mrs. MacLeod,
Kimara Hashiv, Mrs. MacLeod.
Gleva, Tapalev. Kimara Hashafin.
Oh, Hakama Tapalev.
Alba.
Album, Kimara Hashiv.
Cleva, Kimara Hashif.
Hakama Tapalev.
Coffee?
Gleva.
Karst Maha, Right then, how do we greet people? Well, it's still not quite midday, so to say good morning, you say matin va. Good morning. Matin va.
Matin va.
Matin va. Cymra Harsha. Och, Gleva.
Matin va. Matin va.
Matin va. Hiya, laddie. Matin va.
Matin va.
Here at last, Saul Mór Ostig, the great barn of Ostig. Good morning, matin va. If you greet someone after midday, whether it be afternoon or evening, you use fesker ma. Fesker ma.
Matin va. Good morning. Matin va. Vesker ma. Good afternoon or good evening. Vesker ma.
How many people greet each other in the afternoon or the evening in these scenes? Watch out for fesker ma. Hallo, fesker ma.
Ska va, Cymra Harsha.
Fesker ma, tapel yfir hasje fein.
Matin va.
Matin va. Cymra Harsha. Och, Gleva.
Ska ma.
Visker ma.
Matin va. Matin va.
Matin va. Hiya, laddie. Matin va.
Matin va.
Visker ma. Visker ma, Hamish.
Fesker ma. How many did you get? I made it 7. Listen again, and then I think it's time for us to have a look around Saul Mór Ostig. Hallo, fesker ma.
Ska va, Cymra Harsha.
Fesker ma, tapel yfir hasje fein.
Ska ma.
Visker ma. Visker ma. Visker ma, Hamish.
Fesker ma. Sul, or look, will be a regular feature in our series. Every week we'll be looking at different aspects of Scotland, and we hope to give you a flavour of its history, culture and scenery, and a look at what's going on generally. Since the early 1970s, Saul Mór Ostig has been operating as a college. Originally a farm built around the time of the clearances, the building was renovated to create what has become an important centre for Gaelic. The college has students from all over the world with a variety of courses, whether it be archaeology, crofting, piping, traditional dance or Gaelic song, there's a course here for you. Since 1983, Saul Mór Ostig has been able to offer full-time diploma courses in marketing, business studies, economics, law, accountancy, computer studies and management to higher national diploma level. The unique factor is that all classes are held in Gaelic, and fluency is a prerequisite for study. This means that Gaels can now study in their own language, something that even 20 years ago seemed very unlikely to happen. There are around 80,000 Gaelic speakers in Scotland and many others throughout the world, and the hard work and promotion of the language by Soulmore and other groups should increase this number. Set in slate, Schleitje, which is known as the Garden of Skye, much is being done at Soulmore Ostig to change attitudes to Gaelic. Learners, like this singing class, come from all over the world. There are American and English students here, anxious to improve their knowledge of Gaelic culture.
Hello, Canon, can I help you? Hello, Canon, can I help you?
Soulmore's latest venture is the creation of a new media resource centre called Canon, the Gaelic word for language, to meet the increasing demands of the Gaelic television industry. Set up in July 1992, Canon is providing the support material for speaking our language. They're producing the magazines, videos and audio tapes that go with this series, plus advice and support to callers. They can also give you information about Gaelic classes and activities. The weather is often a topic of conversation when people meet. Hello.
Hi, Bria.
Ha. Ha I Bria. It's lovely. Ha I Bria. Okay, let's see how the MacLeods are getting on in Ekin-Tai.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. MacLeod. Fiskerma.
Fiskerma.
Cymra Hashif.
Glema, tapeleif.
Hi, Bria and you.
Ha. Strathpollock Road.
One speaker there used unju, today, unju. Hi, Bria, unju. It's lovely today.
And Jew. Today. And Jew.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. MacLeod. Fiskerma.
Fiskerma.
Cymra Hashif.
Glema, tapeleif.
Hi, Bria and you.
Ha.
The word fluch should also come in handy. Hi fluch and you. It's wet today. Hi fluch and you.
Hi, Fluch.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Fluch.
Anna.
Hallo, hi and you.
Oh, hi, Bria.
Hallo, Callum. Come to house you.
Clever. Hey, Pia.
Hello. Jerry.
Ha ibdhia. It's lovely. Ha ibdhia.
Hello, Anna.
Hallo, hi and you.
Oh, hi, Bria.
Hallo, Callum. Come to house you.
Clever. Hey, Pia.
Hello. Jerry.
Hi, vlug.
Hi, vlug.
Ha I fluch. It's wet. Ha I fluch.
Can and Then, based here at Soldmore Osbeck, are the people to contact for further information about this series. Meanwhile, in the next programme, we'll be teaching you how to give your name and introduce yourself. Until then, cheery and rasta, bye for now.
In this programme, we introduced you to Shiv. Shiv. Kimar aha Shiv. Kimar aha Shiv. Hagama. Hagama. Tapalev. Tapalev. Hagama Tapalev. Hagama Tapalev. Gleva. Gleva. Kimar aha Shafein. Kimar aha Shafein. Madin va. Madin va. Fesker ma. Fesker ma. Ha I bdhia. Ha I bdhia. Yn Jew. Yn Jew. Ha I fluch. Ha I fluch.
Farcherav Riist, welcome once again to Speaking Our Language. And don't worry if you missed the first programme, because you'll have plenty of opportunity to catch up. This week we're going to be teaching you how to give your name and introduce yourself in Gaelic. Today I'm in Loch Maddie, North Uist, and I'm on my way to Lenaclate in Benbecula to a feish, a musical festival. But first of all, to say who you are in Gaelic, you say Is Misha followed by your name. Is Misha Rhoda? I'm Rhoda.
Hallo, Martin.
Hallo.
Ist mich morgen nicht klar? Du mir hast du.
Kom maar.
Hallo. Ist mich morgen nicht klar?
Hallo, Wora. Cymra Harsha.
Kom maar.
Is Misha Ellen Hutchison. Hallo, Ellen.
Is Misha Marston Campbell.
Of Arston. Cymra Harsha.
Glevat after.
Is mich Anna nicht going?
Amma.
Ist mich Laura nicht Gaskell.
Hallo, Laura.
Is Misha, I am. Is Misha. Is Misha Marston Campbell. I am Martin Campbell. Is Misha Marston Campbell.
Loch Namatig means Loch of the Dogs, which refers to all those rocks and skerries behind me, as opposed to the four-legged variety. Well, some of the names used in those scenes may have seemed familiar to you. Listen again and watch out for Is Misha.
Hallo. Ist mich morgen nicht klar?
Hallo, Wora. Cymra Harsha.
Kom maar.
Is Misha Ellen Hutchison. Hallo, Ellen.
Is Misha Marston Campbell.
Of Arston. Cymra Harsha.
Glevat after.
Is mich Anna nicht going?
Amma.
Ist mich Laura nicht Gaskell.
Hallo, Laura.
Hallo, Martin.
Hallo.
Ist mich morgen nicht klar? Du mir hast du.
Kom maar.
This is the west coast of Uishtatua, North Uist. And out there, on a clear day, you can see Hirst, St Kilda. Kerstmaha. Right then. The Gaelic word for name is Anam. Name. Anam.
Kerst.